Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do flawless skin retouching using Google News AI feature Nano Banana inside Gemini. This tool will let you edit photos instantly just by using prompts. It's super easy, super clean, so let's get started. First, just open your Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this. And then next, just simply log in using your Google account. It only takes a few seconds. And once you're on the home page like this, just simply tap on create image, this one. Or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is just same ways to activate the Nano Banana. And then next, just upload the image or just select the photo that you want to retouch. You can use selfies, portraits, or maybe any scan focus photo that you want to enhance. Just tap on plus button to upload the image like this. And then after the image loads, just type your prompt. This is where the magic happens. In here we're going to write a prompt to retouch the skin. You can type anything that you want, but here's for example, you can type like this prompt, like just retouch the skin naturally and then remove acne, smooth the texture, reduce signs, even out the skin tone, brighten the eyes, and keep facial details sharp and realistic. No over editing. You can just type a prompt like this, just copy my prompt, or you can also adjust it or customize it depending on your styles, depending on your need. And then once your prompt is ready, just simply tap on generate. And okay, like this, in just a few moments, the AI instantly produces a flawlessly retouched photo like this. You will notice the skin looks smoother, cleaner, and even brighter without looking it's fake or plastic. This is so fast, accurate, and so natural edits. And honestly, I'm impressed. The result looks super natural, and the details are still sharp, and the lighting stay consistent. And I think for one prompt edit, this is really good. And okay, that's it. A quick and easy way to get flawless skin retouching using AI inside Gemini Nano Banana. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.